Orlando Pirates winger Lebohile Mofokeng has expressed satisfaction with his performances this season, but admits there's still room for improvement, particularly in front of goal. The 20-year-old rising star capped off an impressive campaign by earning the Man of the Match award in the Buccaneers' final league fixture, a 1-1 stalemate against newly promoted Makesi FC on Wednesday night in Soweto. The result saw Pirates seal second place on the DStv Premiership table for the third consecutive season, finishing 61 points and registering a club record number of wins. Mofokeng has been a consistent creative force in Jose Rivero's squad, featuring prominently across all competitions. He notched up 12 goals and 15 assists, with 5 goals and 8 assists coming in league action. Despite those strong numbers, the young South African international believes he's capable of delivering more, especially when it comes to finding the back of the net. Speaking to SuperSport TV after the match, Mofokeng reflected on a grueling but rewarding campaign and said it has been a very long season because we have played in CAF, then the Nedbank. We are not used to playing this many times. I think we did well, and the next season we should aim to do better. While pleased with his overall contribution, Mofokeng was quick to identify an area for growth and said, I think I've performed well this season. I just have to keep going, continue improving, and work even harder for the team. The area I can improve on is scoring. That's the one thing still missing from my game. I can create and assist, but I need to finish more chances. I think I'll practice more on that. With his maturity, vision, and flair already earning praise from fans and pundits alike, Mofokeng's ambition to refine his goal-scoring ability could make him an even more formidable force in the new season. For Pirates, who continue to chase domestic and continental glory, the emergence of such driven young talent is a promising sign of what's to come. Meanwhile, the Bafana Bafana head coach has explained why he didn't call up any players from Kaizer Chiefs, despite selecting a much-changed squad without Mamelodi Sundowns players. Bafana Bafana to take on Tanzania on 6 June and Mozambique 4 days later, with Bros confirming he didn't call up Sundowns players due to their participation in the FIFA World Cup. However, despite the absence of Sundowns contingent, which can reach up to 9 players at times, there was still no room for Amakosi in Bros' final squad, with Yusuf Mart, Bruce Vuma and Duduzi Shabalala all dropping out of Bros' selection. He said, for me, for the moment I can't select players of Kaizer Chiefs, and I hope that they make a better season next year. Okay, they've won the cup, but I think that was the only highlight in Chiefs season. All the rest was not good. I don't think, okay, the supporters are very happy because they won the cup, but we have to be honest, and I don't have anything against Amakosi, but I have to be honest in my choices, and most of the time it was not good with Chiefs. It was not good. Otherwise, a team like Chiefs is not a number 9 in the log. They are number 3, number 2, or number 1. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.